I'm not sure what got you here. Maybe you saw a video that sparked your curiosity, or you hear exploring what I do. Maybe you're a coach yourself, or most likely you're genuinely seeking answers, a mentor, or that shift you know is overdue. Whatever brought you here, my dear, one thing I know for sure, nothing is a coincidence. You're here for a reason, and I hope you leave with clarity, awareness, and a spark of inspiration. And before you dive deep into this space, here's something I want to share with the hope that it awakens a little something in you. If you'd asked me as a kid what I wanted to be, and later as a teenager, it would have changed completely. And as an adult, it was something entirely different. But never in my wildest dreams did I imagine I would end up a holistic transformation coach and an entrepreneur. You know why I'm sharing this with you? Because life, as I've come to learn, is anything but linear. It's a dance between unexpected turns, lessons which are disguised as challenges, and the courage to keep going even when the path is unclear. The more you focus on the steps, the whole dance feels like a struggle. But the moment you follow the music, enjoy the rhythm, and start participating, you become one with the dancing. And that is what I want you to experience. Hi, I'm Radhya, and I warmly welcome you to Whole Soul Thread, a place where healing meets transformation and takes you on a journey to rediscover your most authentic self. Now let me share something very personal with you. My healing journey wasn't a straightforward one. It wasn't smooth. There were no bright neon signs saying this is your path. It was more than a decade-long solo exploration, one filled with doubt, fear, uncertainty. On my journey of self-discovery, apart from practicing yoga, exploring inner child healing, graphotherapy, and other significant tools, I also studied astrology, tarot, and numerology. And for a long time, I felt very stuck with these tools in the way they had been taught and used to control life's outcomes. To find answers like, when will I get married? When will I be rich? What remedies to avoid Saturn's ill effects? I don't know how many of you can resonate, but growing up, I often heard that certain numbers of planets were a curse, and remedies were given out of fear. And it felt like life was something to be survived and not lived. So, every heartbreak, every setback, every delay, I blamed it on my number 8. How convenient. Without considering my own role in creating or navigating my life. There was no sense of accountability, only an endless cycle of blame and fear. But deep down, I always felt something was missing. And I silenced that inner voice, that whisper that told me that's more to these tools than just mere predictions. And the journey was all about finding that something more. Is it fair to label a planet or number as the cause of our struggles? Or is it our lack of understanding and the poverty of our mindset that truly limits us? Now, my mission isn't just to help you heal. It's to empower you, to educate you, to make you aware, to give you tools that help you navigate life's uncertainties with joy, confidence, and freedom. Every tool I've worked with has played a very unique role in helping me reconnect with myself. And together, they've shaped my journey and transformed how I see life. Occult sciences like numerology, astrology, and tarot help me understand my strengths, patterns, purpose. Instead of focusing on predictions, they showed me the why behind the challenges I faced. They helped me see life not as something to control, but as an experience to align with and navigate. Talking about tarot, it became my guide, pointing out crossroads, warning me obstacles, and showing me the possibilities ahead. It didn't just give me answers, yes or no. It helped me trust the process and see that every twist in the road has its purpose. Now, when I think of inner child healing, right, it reconnected me with parts of myself I had buried, even forgotten. It taught me that my pain wasn't my identity, it was just a chapter. Through this, I started rewriting my story from a place of strength and self-compassion. Let's talk about my favorite one, graphology. It was like holding a magnifying glass to my subconscious. It uncovered patterns, beliefs, habits, food habits I didn't even know I had. And graphotherapy was total game changer. By intentionally working on my graphs daily, I was able to rewire my thoughts and emotions without any counseling fluff. It wasn't just about feeling better, it was becoming a completely new version of myself. But these modalities have no end. As soon as Grapho completed, karma healing came into my life. It took things even deeper, clearing blocks I didn't know existed,
Ancestral baggage.
unresolved patterns, energy that kept me stuck. It felt like clearing a fog I had been living in, allowing me to see the road ahead clearly. And then there's yoga and meditation, the foundation of it all. These practices grounded me, kept me steady, and reminded me to come back to my breath when life felt overwhelming. Now, they weren't just tools for calming me down, they became my way of staying present and aligned with who I am. The years of dedication, patience, and unwavering faith I put in going deeper taught me the magic each of these tools holds. Together, they create a holistic path to self discovery and growth. I realized that one size doesn't fit all. Healing isn't about quick fixes or surface level solutions. Absolutely no. True healing lies in blending the wisdom of ancient modalities with the practicality of modern tools. And when used together, these modalities don't just fix one problem, they help you reconnect with your power, heal from within, and unlock your true potential. Now, my mission with Whole Soul Thrice is to accelerate your healing journey by blending all these powerful tools to guide you towards self-discovery and transformation. I want to show you how to approach these modalities with an abundant mindset, using them to uncover your authentic self. Now, whether you choose to work with me or another mentor, here's my simple advice to you. Trust someone whose transformation and journey resonates with you, who's walked the path themselves, whose energy feels authentic and aligned. Please remember, unlike followers, likes, or reviews, true growth and experience can never be bought. They're lived, felt, and shared. Well, if you've made it this far, I'm genuinely so grateful to you. Just know wherever you are on your journey, you're not alone. Let's walk this path together. Feel free to explore this space. Reach out to me or just say a hello. I'm here to support you. Namaste.